Hi, I'm Ron Plants, and I'm here at the Erie County Department of Public Works garage. This is actually in West Falls, as you might be able to see over there on Ellicott Road. And you can see all this salt that they've got here behind me. The reason they've got that all set up there in terms of storage is obviously in preparation for yet another winter season coming up. And of course, we know about the lake effect snow that's going to be coming our way possibly later this week. There's still some question about how many inches we're supposed to get, but indeed the Erie County Department of Public Works Commissioner and the Chautauqua County Public Works Director say that they are prepared. They have their plow fleets. They've been checked out by the mechanics, all the hydraulic lines, and also, again, they have all this supply of salt, so they say they're prepared to handle whatever they have to do. They'll be keeping a close watch on what the storm does in terms of the lake effect with the wind conditions later this week.